Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kinong Shnong ka Shnong rim kabahap hapo ka ilaka ka Nongkli East Jingthoh Hills District kabakantop iki Trai kendo bat kumjuru kinong rep katikathan. Kilalit banbu daga Jingthoh siya ka Ophis Trai kam jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban Sangeh ya ka Jingthoh penlong ya ka public hearing na kabenta ka Syrman Limited banti motion halum Syrman. Habayo banyakran bakinong thok khobor away na kitry jaka katikathan uloong. Baka jaka ka ba katika company katmu banti motion kadai ka balalong try deki kapatamen batlayo ya kapateng ha kinong Shnong. Da ka babanjur bahado menta kinong Shnong kimpat di sya kinuki briu shimet ni kinuki company ban pendon kam ya katika khendo. Ha ka bayday baka public hearing na kaliang kitry Shnong kilapan pa ka jingbitar da ka babu ka jingkali sya kibor bahalor. Bakum nu larai ban penlong ye kajing yalang penbena pat ba ne ka public hearing klam na don kanu kajing penjo oktin na ki try kendo tang kata kat kum kajing penbena na ka Mspcb kalaong ban bu ye ka karkhana tliat motion ha ka Shnong lum Syrman kinong Shnong kilatmu ban ye kendu ya members katri ka tanat Henry omdon ha Ophis.
I'm the resident of the Shnong village under the elaka of Leit. We came here as the residents of the Shnong and the farmers of the Shnong. We came here to in this office of Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to place our objection clearly against the public notice to conduct the public hearing for the Syrman Limited for limestone mining in our area, in our place. So we came here. Actually, we didn't meet the Syrman and the secretary of this office, but we have submitted the documents and all the related documents here in this office. So the land where the public hearing is proposed to for the limestone mining by the Syrman Limited is our ancestral land, and this land is belong to us. Till today, we have not sold or leased or given to any individuals or to any company or to anyone to use this land. So we want to ask a simple question to the highest authority: how can a public hearing take place without the consent of the landowners? We are the rightful landowners of this area, of this place, Lom Syrman. So we strongly state that any attempt to proceed with this public hearing without our permission is unjust and a violation of our rights. So therefore, we demand that the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to immediately stop this public hearing. I've already made or stand clear. Yesterday also we have given our speech to the press and to the media also, and we are giving the authorities, the highest authorities who are concerned with this, to publish this, to issue this public notice regarding the this public hearing for the Syrman Limited Cement. The times within 7 days to withdraw this process or first to resolve the issue of the landowners. So as we have already stated yesterday about all the issues related with this land, so we today the same we remind our elected representative right from the MLA, the MDC, and especially the Doloi of our Elaka, that they are given powers to protect the people, to protect our lands, to protect and also to see our problem. We are not giving them the powers. We are not giving them the powers, or we are not allowed them to sell our land or to give our lands to others people, especially to the company without our consent. So what I want to say here today, if our concern, if our issue are ignored, we will be compelled to take the further necessary step to protect our lands and our rights. This is our land. This Syrman is belong to us, not to anyone, not to that to the company of the Syrman Limited. It is belong to us. So we will stand united. We will protect our land and we will claim it because this is our rights and this is our property. Adu ngan ong nagbenta ki jing ki nagbenta bangin penyo ya ka hok ke jong ki Trai Shnong ki badai ki Trai jaka jong ketu ke jaka lum Syrman ke jing ki lada kimpat sengap ya kane ke jing yujor ke jongi ngin sedang bari ki nadu napo elaka ke jongi persya ya kinong yalam jong ke elaka ki ba claim ya kane ki ba ai ya ka NOC cha kini ki factory ngin yaki nadu persya yo doloi bat yaki member jong ki isi balai ki ai ha ka jaka jongi claim ke jing bit claim ke jing pan permission nengi so bat nang ta ngin saya khamtam lang ba ka district council ka badai ban pit ya ka khendeu ke siap bat ya ka jinglong trai ke jongi kumnu ki not ban ai ya kane ki NOC cha kane ka company claim ke jing bit claim ke jing console bat ki nong Shnong bat ki belong ki Trai jaka jong kane ka khendeu kumta la shai ngin mi ban le yu jor cha ki badai ki bor ki bahlor ki badai pej ya kane ka banta bat nak banta ki tu baro ki badon kti hagaban penmi lene ban ai jingbit ya kini ki simen plan ban pelong ya ke public hearing ngin Leit ban ya kendu bat ki ban ngin pan ya ka jingshai haganu ka rukom bat haganu ka dur bagi ai claim na ka jingbit kini ki Trai khendeu tang kata ka jing pentip hagne ka singi kublai sibon
Moman hanepor igat kama jingjung ya notice wa ongi am Shnong lum Syrman igat kama jing chiam yong I wi chiam mu to menjungi wa am Shnong hani lum Syrman ne bah im tv unu wa Shnong wa am hani lum Syrman to wa ada Shnong lam jungi ka ngagat tulasan politik nem udah de Hima hani po elka nong kli wa de manale udah usnam yong ka udah ka de pun derbe yanga tengam jungi am Shnong de lasan pule de legis nem ka tengah menjuju ini Shnong ini to jing kwa yong I kami wa yeyen hane por dibenta wa ipenche bi I hajing yato wa gani Shnong ne hewan em gani kot kislah gat kamaman ira budde ni gani kam yong gani kot kislah go yato satara lum Syrman tengah naliang nga tadu ini hi kwa pan jingche yo penche bi I hajing yato wa gani Shnong tengah kwa jing penche uyi wa Shnong woman em hani lum Syrman ngadu ini langbau sekretari yang kal atau khanari yo ching I kam gibru em Shnong rem em po elganong rem de du ini kiten kadiak ulai cibon nyoba khanachi